Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. So an unboxing video. Found this last week. This is another Lionel 8040. Now, according to the description, this is in stellar condition. But as you can see, it was not packed very well at all. So I have no idea what I'm going to find inside this box. It's actually two boxes taped together, it looks like. So it's going to be interesting to see what kind of condition this is actually in. I can get it apart anyway. There we go. All right, here we go. $11.50 for this. I'm hoping it's not damaged. All right, it appears intact, rolls easily. It's actually in fairly decent condition, no doubt about that. Let me pull the camera off the tripod and take a look at this up close. All right, Lionel 8040, $11.50. So anyway, I was really curious to see what this was actually going to look like. As I said, they advertised this in stellar condition, and it's actually in quite good condition, no doubt. It's been in storage for a very, very long time. There's no doubt about that. The question, of course, is, will it run? They made no mention of it running. So I guess we're going to find out real quick. So it's on the outside rail. Power is on. Let's see what happens. Wow, it is really dry. There's no doubt about that. Wow, it is really dry. This thing has been sitting for decades. There's no doubt about that at all. All right, it is running with no problem. So it needs to be lubricated before I can even take it around the rail. It is really, really dry. So I'll get it lubed. It's not going to take a whole lot of cleanup on this. As you can see, this is in really decent condition. And put a couple of drops of oil on this plastic, and that'll get rid of all this haze that you see in it, and gives it a nice shine, and penetrates the plastic just like it does paint. Not as well, but it really rejuvenates this old plastic. Anyway, as you can see, it's in fairly decent condition. No damage to it at all, so once this is cleaned up, it's going to look virtually new. Not a spot of rust on it. And this needs to be lubricated and run. This thing's been sitting for decades. Decades and decades. But you can see there's not a spot of rust on it anywhere. So it was definitely worth $11.50, and it's running. So it just needs to be lubricated. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.